Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Unlock your phone and make sure the app providing the widget is installed and up to date. Once done, long press a blank spot on your home screen. A menu appears. Tap Widgets or the Widgets icon and hold while you browse. You're doing this now to place the widget quickly. It reduces friction later. Make sure to pick the correct size option shown because size affects layout and available controls. You drag the widget from the picker straight onto the home screen, positioning it where it will be most useful. Once placed, use the blue or gray drag handles to resize. If you want precise control, snap it to a grid. After resizing, tap the widget to open its configuration. Grant any permissions the app requests so it can update. If the widget supports templates or themes, choose one now to match your layout and save battery or data. You finalize by tailoring the widget's content and refresh rate in its settings. Choose shorter intervals for live updates or longer to save battery. If the widget stays blank, remove and re-add it, then clear the app cache. This often fixes stale content. If updates still fail, check battery optimization and background data settings for the app. Finally, restart your device to reset services. If problems persist, update or re-
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.